Cue playback.
Hey, Carol. The moonshot. No. Wait. Your water shot.
Yes! Alright! Okay, we got it. Moving on.
Okay, moving on to scene 17A. 3 minutes out, second unit in. That is a wrap on Trent for today.
Alright!
Yeah, hey, that reveal was right on it. Steve, the sound, we can work with that in post?
Oh yeah, we're solid.
Right.
Oh, thank God. I knew we would get it on that.
Absolutely phenomenal, Trent. That is what we call a trailer take. Am I right? Your face, mate. I was like, oh my word. You're like, right there, mate. Oh my word. Best faces in the business.
Yeah, good. Thank you, man. I'm glad you like my face.
Yeah, Ken.
Yes.
Looking great.
Thanks, man.
When you say moving on, do you mean like staying on this, but moving on to like a different part of this?
This?
Yeah.
The scene we just shot?
What we was just looking at.
No, when I said moving on, it just means that we're going to go on to the next shot that we have on our shot
Right,
list. We got
yeah.
a lot of coverage to get.
Right, fantastic. I need to check to make sure that you got enough of the alien POV.
Yeah, well, yes, we did. We got a lot of footage of the alien, more than we really know.
Right, that's great, Ken. We're gonna need more of the alien POV.
You know, I know that. It's just that the Predator camera thing doesn't
Exactly,
really
mate.
work.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what we got the Predator camera, what to shoot on for.
We're shooting on the Ari Alexa.
I don't pay attention to astrology, Julio.
Julio.
We got that Predator camera
Alexa.
to make sure that we
The
got
aesthetic.
the alien
No.
POV.
I just think it's going to be a little different.
What are we waiting on?
We are discussing the possibility of a second setup for the previous scene.
The entire crew is about to go to meal penalty.
Janet, I understand. Just give me a hot minute, please. Philip, what exactly is it that we're not getting?
You see, the alien doesn't move like what we would, right? Like what Trent would hit. He's like that, you know? Like that, right? He's an entity unto himself, like what, you know, the Avatar, or what those two incestuous twins from Lord of the Rings is. Right, so he's like, you know, he moves like maybe like, all you'd see is like feet, you know, and feet and knees, you know, well, shins too.
Am I still wrapped if it's just feet and knees?
Well, and shins too, Trent, careful.
I don't see why we can't use a second unit for this.
Can we get Trent stand-in to set?
Wait, won't we know that those are his shins? You know, it'll be like Trent face, Trent head, Trent arm. Wait, whose shins are those?
Yeah, he's already on double overtime.
Janet!
You know what? I'm gonna be in my trailer while you guys figure out the shin shot.
Oh, right, mate. I'll get you, mate.
Julio, you want to look at this next setup?
No, we actually need to set up for an alternate take of the previous scene.
I just broke that down.
I'm aware of that, and we need to set up for an alternate take of the previous scene.
Right, I'm thinking like, you know, you could have the cameras, like, on some string, so that it's moving and creeping like the alien does.
String?
Right, like, you know, you'd have it dangling, so you'd have like 3 units simultaneously doing this, right? Like that.
Alright, let's set up a couple jibs.
Careful. We do have some black people on set here.
With the automatic controls.
It's got a creep like what the alien does, not like what a robot would, you know? Right, Tim?
Tom.
Tim, do you think that after you're done with the, jibbers, you could get me another one of them lattes?
You mean from Crafty?
Oh, that's Jim over at Crafty, but I...
Right, are we all on the same page with the alien POV?
Yes, Philip. Okay, yeah, we do. We got it. All right, guys, let's get this thing set up as quickly as possible. Next 3 minutes, please.
Right, mate, moving along, yeah? Right, is that Coffee Fellow, is he going to do the, jibbers? Or, Ken, right, minute of your time, mate. Yeah. It would appear that we're a short and curly over bunch.
Good for you. Pretty damn close.